This is what you'll need for today. Something to draw with and some paper. Today we're going to be doing 2 drawings. First we're going to draw a city wall. Start about halfway up the page. Draw some short lines like these. Starting from the side of the page, draw some lines going across like these. Connect these 2 lines with a short line. This is the top of our wall. Draw a short diagonal line and a line going straight down. Do the same thing on the other side. Now you can draw in any block shapes or brick shapes you would like to decorate your wall with. We started with a dotted line going across. We added 3 squares, and an outline going around each of these squares. Now we're going to add some bricks. Because they're made out of stone, they don't have to be perfect lines. We drew a few short lines going across and then a long line connecting them underneath. This time we drew a long line first and then we added the short lines after that. We decided to draw beehives into these small 3 squares. To draw the beehive, we started with a small little square on the bottom and then we added lines going across. The last things we added were some cracks and dots to make our wall look like it was made out of stone. This is our finished wall. Helaman chapter 13 verse 4. He went and got upon the wall thereof, and stretched forth his hand, and cried with a loud voice, and prophesied unto the people whatsoever things the Lord put into his heart. Activity idea 1. Draw Samuel the Lamanite teaching the Nephites from the wall. You can draw Samuel the Lamanite however you like. You can also add stones and arrows that missed Samuel the Lamanite. Here's our finished drawings.
Now on to drawing number 2. This time we're gonna draw a pulpit. We are drawing the pulpit from the conference center in Utah. First we turned our paper sideways, then we drew 2 long lines close together. Draw short lines to connect the ends. We turned our paper back and we drew 8 short lines like this. We connected the lines at the top, then around the middle, we drew this rectangle shape. Then 1 more rectangle on each side. Draw 4 long lines going down like this. Now these little square shapes. Carefully draw lines like these. There are 3 squares on the pulpit like this. Inside those squares is a beehive. Draw a curve on the top. A hole at the bottom. And lines going across. Next, draw the microphone like this. At the bottom of the pulpit, we drew different types of flowers. You can draw whatever flowers you want. You can also add grass and bushes. Here is the finished pulpit. President M. Russell Ballard. Through the centuries, prophets have fulfilled their duty when they have warned people of the dangers before them. The Lord's apostles are duty-bound to watch, warn, and reach out to help those seeking answers to life's questions. Activity idea 2. Draw the prophet or another church leader or person speaking from the pulpit. My dad tried drawing President Russell M. Nelson. This is the second finished drawing. Now it's time to color. are our finished drawings of Samuel the Lamanite. And here's our finished drawing of someone speaking from the pulpit. Thanks for joining us on Follow Me Draw. We hope you had fun.
Okay, it's recording.
Okay. Welcome to Follow Me Draw. Hi.
So just wave the camera.
Welcome to Follow
So ready?
Me Draw.
What else do we need?